We've got a lot of things to celebrate. We've come a long way. We've done a lot of good things, but today is really about you. So that's really what the big applause and the cheering should go for, is for you. So give yourselves a round, please. That being said, today we reached 3 million work hours worked on this project. That is outstanding amount of hours in 22 months.
To think about the family we have, the accomplishments, to reflect back. Like family, we've worked hard together, we support each other, and we've kept each other safe.
It's amazing to think that less than 2 years ago, work had not started out here. This was still a temporary parking lot, and thanks to all the efforts that you, our Chase Center team, has done over the 3 million work hours, we are where we are today. From the Golden State Warriors, President Rick Welts.
Millions of people around the Bay Area over the next 20, 30, 40 years are going to have something happen here that becomes a lifetime memory. And that's the business that we're in. Understand that you're not building a building, you're building a memory machine, and you're building a place that our Bay Area community is going to gather for years and years and years to come. You're going to be the reason that people are going to go home with a lifetime memory. So, go Warriors! Thanks to everybody. Have a great holiday season. We'll see you again soon. Thank you.